Kana go slow. Yeah, faster. But I bet I can go even faster. Let's go now. Woohoo! Every day, Thomas races Kana. And every day, Kana always wins. Woo! I'm ahead. I won. And I won. Kana? What happened? I don't know. Are you at Steam? I don't use Steam. I'm electric. I mean, my battery's fully charged, so there must be something wrong. What? I don't know. How am I going to get my cars to Victorstown before sundown if I can't go fast? I can take your cars and you to Victorstown before sundown. But what if you aren't fast? Too fast? I don't need to be too fast before sundown. I can just go fast if I want. Hook up. We're moving. Thomas, do you mind if you go a little faster? I'm trying my best. Because we... Thomas, dear, can you pick up the pace? Because we can't... And if we can't get there in time, let's get backwards. Anything we could do? Please, pick up the pace, Thomas. Oh, I got an idea. Thank you, Thomas. I don't get lost, and I don't get lost. Are you sure this is a shortcut? Of course. Thomas promised I would get you to Bakerstown on time. Okay. Ah! What? What is it? Those hills. Fast engines, there's like going quick. You'll do it the Thomas way. We. Now here comes the big one. That was fun. Hey, look at the pigs. Yeah, they're cool, aren't they? And there's a cow in the way. Oh, look at all, this is my favorite part, the flowers. Kana, you're... No, we'll never get to the track. I'm sorry, Kana. I don't think I'm gonna be able to keep my Thomas promise. That's okay. Hey, love your necklace. Necklace? Thank you, Your Royal Highness. I am Queen Kana, ruler of the tracks. Hey, that cloud looks like Diesel. That cloud looks like a cow, the one who got out of the way. And that cloud just looks like a banana. And that cloud just looks like tracks. I don't see on the cloud. Not you. Not the cloud, silly. Over here. Oh. Yay, you got us back on the track. Victorstown, here we come. Hey, so folks, what took you so long? Well, we saw a pig, we saw a cow, and then we went to flowers. And then what did you see? I saw him. Oh, hey, Sandy. What are you doing here? I heard Kana was going so slow. There we go. Try that. Thank you, Sandy. And thank you, Thomas. Want to race home? Actually, there's one more thing I want to show you. Whoa. The sunset. Because I'm always going too fast to see it. Yeah. But going slow could be kind of fun. Gotcha, Kana. You want to race? Oh, you bet. Hey, Kana, what are you doing? You're going so slow. Well, I want to go like Thomas. See all the sights. Alright, let's go. Oh, Thomas really needs to learn to go slow.